Each morning, a lot of us are rushing, we're tired and might not have a lot of time to devote to making breakfast, so we just grab something quick or sometimes skip breakfast altogether, which is not good at all. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Introducing the 5-Minute Vegan Recipe Cookbook, the perfect solution to your breakfast woes. With easy, quick and healthy recipes, you'll never have to skip breakfast again. No matter if you're usually a passionate cook or haven't been a hobby chef at all thus far, we could all need a couple of go-to lazy vegan recipes when it's just one of these days. And the 5-Minute Vegan Recipe Cookbook has got you covered with its variety of easy and delicious recipes. Truth be told, even though we're running a food blog, most days our dinner resembles the following dishes much more than elaborate one-hour recipes that constantly need to be watched. So we know the value of quick and easy recipes that taste great. The 5-Minute Vegan Recipe Cookbook is full of tasty, healthy, and fast vegan recipes that will help you start your day off right. From smoothie bowls to avocado toast, these recipes will give you the energy you need to tackle whatever the day brings. So why not give it a try? Get your copy of the 5-Minute Vegan Recipe Cookbook today and start enjoying tasty, healthy breakfasts in no time.